A 24-year-old Malaysian student majoring in traditional Chinese medicine develops a strong interest in TCM and plans to bring it back to Malaysia to benefit more locals.
I've been exposed to the Chinese culture since young, and I've also taken Chinese medicine before when I'm sick. And people around me also undergo Chinese medicine treatment, and the effects are quite impressive. It helps to cure their pain. The traditional Chinese medicine, it doesn't only teach us how to cure people, but it also teaches about the philosophies and the doctor-patient communication and all other things.
During her TCM studies, Won spent the first 4 years focusing on theoretical learning before having the opportunity to participate in a practical program in China. She noted that the practical experience allowed her to gain hands-on experience and observe how teachers prescribe medicine to patients. After completing her college degree, Won plans to work as a TCM physician in Malaysia.
It's my responsibility to promote TCM to a larger community and let them experience the beauty of traditional Chinese medicine.